instead of creating a workbook from scratch, there are many available templates that you can use. And templates in Excel are pre-designed workbooks or worksheets where the main work has already been done for you, thus saving you a lot of time. And in order to create a workbook based on an existing template, go to the File tab, click on New, and here you can choose any template that you like. And also you can use this search box to search for online templates. And moreover, Excel will suggest a search for you based on some interesting keywords, for example. And you can choose any keyword from this list. So I will click on budgets, for example. So Excel will search for templates online based on the word budget. So let's choose one template here. I will choose this college income and expenses budget. So let's click on it, then click on create. So this will create a workbook based on the selected template. And you can see here in this sheet number 1, this is the summary of the expenses and income, the income left, and the percentage of income spent. And you can see all the formatting is already done. And in sheet number 2, you can input some data for the monthly income, monthly expenses, and for the semester expenses. We have the formatting is already done. We have here the formula is already created in the formula bar, so you don't have to do anything. Just input your data. So you can put your income here, for example. You can delete them, and you can start input data again, for example. So you can go back to the summary, and you can see that your data will change based on the input. So if you look here at the top of this workbook, you will find the name of this workbook, College Income and Expenses Budget 1. So Excel will add this number 1 at the end, since this is the first workbook created from this template. So for example, if you go back to templates here and you click on File and New, and create another workbook based on this template. And by the way, Excel will remember that you have recently opened this template. So instead of going again to the online search box here and choosing the budgets and searching for this template again, you will see it here next to this blank workbook. So all you have to do is to just click on it and click on create, and Excel will create another workbook from this template, and we'll name it College Income and Expenses Budget 2. So let's close it, and let's go back to this workbook. So when you've done changing or doing some inputs, you can save this workbook. Click on this save button, or just hold on the Ctrl key and the S button on the keyboard, and click on browse. So let's name it My College Budget, and press the enter key. So this will save and will change the name of this workbook to My College Budget. Now let's close it. So you know how to use now an existing template. Let's try to create our own custom template, and the best way to do this is to use your own existing workbook. So let's open a workbook that we frequently use. Go to the File tab, click on Open, click on Browse, and choose this custom template under in your Excel files under chapter 5. So let's double click on custom template. So this file is not a template yet, it is just a regular Excel file with the extension XLSX. And as you can see, this file is cleaned from all the data all the input data, the student names, the homework, test, midterm, and final grades are already cleared. So we only have the formatting, and the formulas are still left in the formula bar, as you can see. So if you want to use a workbook as a template, go ahead and clean it. So when you create a file based on this template, you can just start and enter your data. Now let's convert this Excel file to a template. To do this, click on the File tab, click on Save As, click on Browse. So Save As type, change the type from Excel Workbook to Excel Template. And as you can see, Excel will change the directory here. So it will change it to Documents and to Custom File Templates folder. So this is a default directory that Excel will save the custom templates here. And you can always change this directory and choose another one, but here I will leave it as it is. So I will keep the file name custom template and click on save. So now you have saved the custom template. So let's see how to use it. Let's close this file, click on the File tab, click on New, and in order to find the custom made template, click on the Personal tab here, and you will see your custom template. So click on it, and this will open the custom template 1. So you can enter your data, and then when you finish, you can save it as a workbook with any name that you like. So as a conclusion, if you have workbooks that you use frequently, convert them to templates in order to easily create documents based on them.